Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading to the photography show, but most importantly, I'm doing a meetup. So anyone that attended the meetup, thank you so much for coming. It was incredible. I'm going to be trying to do more of these smaller ones all around the world, not just in London and obviously throughout the UK, but depending on time, schedule, giveaways, etc. For this, I want to say a big shout out to Sigma UK, Fujifilm UK, and Gomatic. These three companies donated some prizes for me to give away at my photo walk. I'm not paid. I never get paid for any of my photo walks, just to preference that before we get into the video. But everyone that came, it was incredible to meet everyone, and some incredibly talented photographers and creators were there. So if you ever see any of my meetups on Instagram or on here or wherever, then come along. It's an open book. They're free, always going to be free, and you can network, socialize, take some cool photos, as you'll see in this video. So the way the photo walk is going to work is I'm going to meet everybody inside the XL building, and then I'm going to do a loop around kind of this area here. So I've got 5 locations that I'm going to put a sticker, and in each of those locations, the first person to find that sticker or to get the photo wins a prize. At least that's the idea. So the first location is this one. So I'm going to look at how I can use the surrounding buildings and these things, whatever you want to call those, the hoists, the lifts. Could you open this way? It's a bit complicated with...
Do you want cinematic B-roll of this?
No. Oh wow. Just choose one. It's different ones on. Yeah. Go.
Fuji.
Yes. Okay, so we'll go with this. We're going to stick this somewhere on this beam. Make sure no one's watching me. There's like a beam underneath where the camera is, and I'm going to stick it on there. But I've got to make sure it's not, because I don't want someone to find it like super quick. I want someone to find it over time. These stickers are so hard to get off. Obviously, big shout out to Fujifilm for supplying the stickers. I don't want it too obvious. I want it kind of like... Okay, so it's there. So it's like right underneath. All right, Tom, you good? So hopefully, fingers crossed, someone will find it in during the walk. So when we walk through here, I'll say to people, this is the sticker you're looking for, and then they'll have X amount of time to try and find it. I think someone will find that quite quickly, but we'll see. Someone's going to go and take it from there now, because they've watched me do it. So the next location where I'm going to give away something, so this location, I'm probably going to give away the 16mm lens, because you have City Hall behind me, and you have a lot of really cool reflections coming off the building. You've got the gondolas behind me, which are these. If you didn't know these existed in London, then they do. So that's the plan. I'm going to try and get a reflection of the gondola with everything that's going on. And then the first person to show me that photo wins the 16mm Sigma. So there's one going across now. I think this would be quite nice as it just goes through the frame. It's got one like that. Got people walking as well. It's a nice little layered approach. Nice. So beautiful, Tom. So whoever shows me the photo on the screen or closest to that photo will win the 16mm Sigma lens. So ove on to the next spot, which is just around the corner. So for the next shot based, so photo based giveaway, I'm going to give away the 35mm. For this photo, I'm using this ring, and there's 3 buildings on the other side. So I'm just getting a quick photo where I'm like focusing through the loop on the buildings on the other side, which is the photo you can see on the screen. And then whoever gets that photo first wins a 35mm. No, it's not, I don't know if it is 35. It's either 30 or 35. I'm sorry, Sigma, I can't remember. Got a lot going on. But they're going to win this lens that's on the screen. So that's great news for whoever's going to win. As long as they get that photo, that's what they'll win in this spot. We've got 2 more to do. One is going to be a sticker. No, we'll do 2 more sticker. We've got the 56mm lens to give away, and the bag as well from Nomatic, Gomatic. So big shout out to them for donating the bag. I'll link it below as well. It's the bag that I'm currently using. Is the bag that I use pretty much on everyday, normal day shoots. So if you're looking for a good everyday carry, this is the bag for you. It's down in the description. Big shout out to them for donating the bag. Again, same with Sigma. Thank you so much for donating everything. Of course, I said this at the beginning, but these giveaways wouldn't have been possible without these companies. So big shout out to them. Massive shout out to Fuji, and hopefully I could do more of these in the future. Right, for the last, no, we've got one more sticker to do after this, I think. Yeah, one more sticker to do after this. For this sticker, Tom, where should I stick it? It's on you. Think outside the box.
I don't know what, I'm thinking in here.
I know, but I think that's really obvious, isn't it? Because I thought that on the other place, unless I put it in and up. Yeah, go on, hold this, I'll throw it in there. I got it. Okay, this is the...
Weird glory hole.
Oh, you'd have to be fucking long to get through there. Right, in the centre. Oh, you can't see that, Tom. No!
Oh, no.
I guess I'll move it. I'll move it a bit closer. All right.
On the side of it?
Nah, that's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Because actually, when you go, if you go like, oh, you'll miss it. But if you go, oh, you can see it. It's up there. So that can be for the backpack. So whoever finds that wins this Luma backpack from Gomatic or Nomatic, depending on where you are. Everyone finds it quite easy. I think they're not too hard, right?
No, they're not. They actually just do need to think outside the box a little bit.
Yes. That's what we wanted to do. Oh, there is stairs. Oh, great.
Oh.
Making everyone walk. They can get the lift if they want to. But I am very sorry. I'm going to make you all walk up 100 steps. So, sorry. Not really, because it's just part and part. You can get a lift up. Does the lift work?
Doesn't look like it.
So I actually thought the lifts would work. So I'm going to apologise in advance, but I will tell everyone before we start the walk that we will be finishing on the bridge. And hopefully it should be fine. See that building, mate? See that building there?
This one?
The empty one.
Yeah.
Been on that roof. Been sitting on that when a plane went overhead. That was fucking sick. So the final spot is going to be on this bridge where you can look back towards Canary Wharf. You do have London City Airport on that side, but I don't think there's any flights due. So if there is, we'll get a really lovely shot, but it would have to be perfect timing. I'm out of breath because of the stairs, so I'm very sorry to everyone that comes on the photo walk. I thought the lifts would work, but they don't. Okay, sticker, sticker, sticker. We are gonna go. Now, yeah, stick it over there.
Yeah, right.
Not sure Fuji are going to condone this, but it's fine. Sorry, Fuji. I bought the sticker. Try again, shall we? Okay. I wonder if I can get my hand underneath that. Yes, I can. I reckon that's good. There you go. And then this is going to be the nice finishing spot. So we've got 3 stickers, 2 photos, 5 giveaway prizes that anyone that's attended the photo walk can win. They're not skill based. The reason I do that is because everyone that comes on the photo walks are of different skill level, and I want to make it fair that anyone can win a prize for just coming along, socializing, networking, and everything else. Thanks. So to get started with, the first location, this one is a sticker-based one. So in this area, there is a sticker. I will show you before you run off, because you You know what sticker you're looking for?
Doesn't matter.
It's a Fujifilm sticker. It's got like a film emulation on it, but it's basically film. It's somewhere around here.
And you've got to take a picture of it or just find it?
Take a picture, or if you find it, then yeah, just tell me. Obviously, it's not easy, so you're just standing head height, you might not find it. Oh, you alright, mate? How's it going?
What's going on?
Hello. Oh, there we go. Sean's found it. Alright, someone's found it. There we go. Yeah. The one down there. No. Leave it there. Someone else will find it in years to come. So, you have a choice.
Okay.
You can have a 16mm,
Yes, please.
30mm, or a 56mm.
16 would be great. Thank you.
So, I'll show you it, but you don't get this one. Because obviously these are Sigmas from the stand, and they're like, give them back. So it's just this. It is an email. What I'll do is get the address off you.
Yep.
And they'll just ship it straight from Japan to you.
Perfect. Thank
There
you.
go. You're welcome. Excitement. Okay, so the next spot is the city hall. So between now and then, take some photos, have some fun, chat, ask me questions, etc.
Just want to point out, we've been sitting on there for about 30 minutes before you guys came.
Property for living and motorsport for fun.
Nice. So like property, is it like rentals, like
Everything. Full sales.
Okay. Okay, so for this one, it is a photo-based shot that I've taken. So similar to the last one, obviously you can go off and try. Before you do, I'm going to preference something. So this shot I took on my phone. So I would suggest maybe using your phone as well, because it'll be easier to get the perspective that I got. So you can go around, have a look, do the same, come back here, speak to me, etc. Like the actual ring of the chain.
I did that, but I was not good enough.
So that's the shot I got. It was similar to what you got, but obviously it was more punched in.
Let me see.
But I'm white.
Where'd you there? Kind of.
This dude back here was like mega close, but he was like facing the wrong way. So
Okay.
you have a choice. You could have the 30mm, the Instax pointed Polaroid, or the bag.
Okay, bag.
Bag. Cool. I'll grab the details off you, and then I'll
Super.
I'll get it sent to you. Cool. I'll get it down without dying. Woo! Celebration! Oh! Okay, so there's 2 more stickers left to go. There's one here, or maybe not here.
Because it doesn't remember.
So basically, there's a sticker on one of these beam things. It's around here somewhere. I think it's around here. Tom thinks it's down there.
Nice.
But there's a sticker. So you go find a sticker. I'll give it 5-10 minutes. If not, I'll give you hints.
Is it the same one like last time?
Similar sticker. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Got it? Alright, we got it. Wow, there we go. Yay! Would you like the Instax or the 30mm?
Obviously the 30.
Cool. There we go. I'll go with details.
Yeah. Do you
guys know each other? There we go. You don't have to.
Yes, mate, yeah.
So we're in the last location, and which is the last sticker to get. Let's have a look. Oh God! Yeah, got it. Well done. It was over the side. So, Thomas, could I please grab the orange bag? It's actually the only physical prize I have.
Okay, cool.
Thanks to Fujifilm for this. Well, the Instax team more than anything. You get these. Awesome. That's what you get. No. And there you go. That's for you as well.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thanks very much, man.
You're welcome. So, if anyone would, huh? I've got a bigger bag to put the Nikon bags in. Are you sure? So, guys, honestly, these meetups are only ever just to like meet up with you guys and to hopefully give you guys something back. Make it simple, make it easy, and hopefully highlight that you all live relatively close to each other, so you can all link up, meet up, have fun. You know, it's beautiful lighting. Maybe talk to people around you. Maybe some people are going to go out tonight and shoot. Go with them. You might as well go out in numbers, have a bit of fun, enjoy it. That's all that matters. Sick, man.
Post 1.4.
Yeah. Fuck that. Do you like the shot?
I do.
Okay, look, how many people are here? What, 20 people? Do we like this photo? Yes? Yeah? Yeah? We like this photo? Yeah? Way better than likes. There we go. I know. So,
Wait, can I say something?
yeah, it's fucking sick, man. Oh, there we go. Hey! Honestly, like,
Because I'm
Doing something.
A selfie.
yeah, we're gonna. Imagine if I drop this.
Hey, you in my shot, man.
There you go, you're good. Teamwork. 2, 1. It can't go wide, look. See? The photography show is still on for another 2 days, so if you are interested, there's a link in the description. Go and grab a ticket. It's in the XL in London. Head down, just go and have a look around. It's worth going. There's some good deals for camera gear, but also if you're in the market for talking with companies, etc., if you have any plans, it's really good to go and speak to marketing teams, get to know different brands, and you get to try out a lot of the gear as well. So if you're thinking about swapping, I don't know, lenses or camera gear or systems, it's very good. I enjoy going. It's there's some great talks from some great people, some great creators, videographers, and photographers. Again, if you get the time, you should head down. If not, it's on every year. Highly recommend. Now, this meetup was very last minute, so if you are wanting to attend any of the meetups, I highly suggest following me over on Instagram, because I will announce it there on my stories. So maybe turn notifications on for my stories, because that's normally where I promote most of the giveaways, most of the photo walks, or anything that I'm doing within the community. That's typically where I'm going to be doing it. So if you are interested in doing anything with this community or whatever I'm doing, my stories over on Instagram is probably the best place for you to be watching out for. I'm going to try and post more stuff here on the community, but this was a very last minute meetup, which was confirmed like super last minute. So I had a couple of days to put everything together. So yeah, thank you again to all the brands that helped out. To give something back to the community. If there are any brands watching this, or if you work for a brand, or if you ever want to donate anything in the future, let me know. Send me an email. It'd be great to give back to the community. That's all it is. I don't get paid for these. I don't get there's no monetary value. The only sort of money that I'd get from it is like from doing a YouTube video. So if you do want to support me, there's presets down in the description. They're £10. You get 188 desktop presets and 164 mobile presets. They're down in the description. That's all in one pack for £10, $12. Otherwise, yeah, again, if you have anything you want to donate in the future, then let me know. It's something I want to do more of. Give away, help creators. That's the direction. With all that being said, create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one.